Greetings of the day. Myself Chitra Sharma, Assistant Professor with AISSM CHM City. As you know, my subject is front office, and my topic which I will be covering is guest paging. What is a paging? As we know, guest cycle. All these services come in the third stage, that is a stay. We have almost seen all the guest services in my previous presentation, and guest paging is one of the most important services which is offered by the hotel for the guest. What do you mean by paging? What is the motive behind paging? Paging basically is a process of locating a guest in a specified area of the hotel. When the guest is not in the room or is expecting a visitor, he or she may fill a location form and leave the same at the front desk. But how do the paging is done? Because hotel is such a huge area, and it is very difficult for the bellboys to run after and search the guest, and we can't send all the bellboys to search for the one guest, because we have many errands in the front office section which the bellboy has to do. So there are different process of paging, like page board. What is a page board? Usually if you are seen in films or something, where people will stand, driver stands outside with a page board which is also known as plug card, where the guest name is written and two small bells are in the side of the plug card. So when you like move the plug card, the bell rings and automatically the attention of people goes towards this. And if that person is expecting somebody to pick them up, and if he sees his name, he knows that he has to contact that person. He is the person who has come to pick up. This is also one of the process of paging. So bellboy or the page boy, which they are also known as page boy, they carry a paging board with the guest name written or no, and to different public area. The old page boards in the semi-automated system had a bell to draw attention. Guest on saying their name would surely contact the front desk. There is one more system of paging, is that is PA system, that is a public announcement system. And the best example is when you see what you see in the railway station, where the announcement is there, which train is coming, which train is delayed, which train is on time, which train is going from which place to which place. Even if you see for any fares, or even if any child is lost, there is an announcement system that they have found such and such child's name, to contact the customer care. That is known as public announcement system. Hotels also have an audio system to play music channels. The same PA amplifier has a microphone for announcement in case of emergency or for paging. This is a system of paging board for locating the guest. Like if you can see, there is a name written Mr. Bean. These are the few system where you can see where it is name is written, and if you can see, the flight number is also written, so the guest known who has to be picked up and where it has to be contacted. This is also a paging board where the name has been written, and it is like taken to the different locations of the hotel. This is the image of the public announcement system, PA system. Thank you for the patient hearing, and these are the references from where I have taken. If you have any doubts, you can contact me through my mail ID, and have a great learning, and be safe and stay.